Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Office 2007. So in this video I'm going to show you about number group. So before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Office 2007, and also visit my another channel which name is Only Musics. So coming back to the video, so in this video I'm going to show you about number group. So here it is. I will write something here. I am writing 1 2 3 over here, and now if I want to do some changes to that number, I'll just simply go to this general option. I'll click on this arrow key, and here there is an option list where we have to select specific style of numbers. So first option is general, which is normal, and then next option is number, which contains 2 decimals, and then next is currency, which includes a currency symbol in your number, and next is accounting. It is same like currency, and then next is short date. It will convert our number to a date. Then next is long date. It will convert our number into long date. Then next is time. It will convert into time, percentage, fraction and scientific, and then last is text. So if you want to customize it, so you can just go to number group over here, click on this arrow button, and a list will appear over here. See, general, here it is, there is no option for general option here. And the next is number. In number option we can select the number of decimals which you want. Like here it's already set as 2, and if you want to increase or decrease the decimals, you can just simply do that. And if you want your number to be color, red color, or into brackets, or into a negative number, you can select any option from this options. And the next is currency. Currency is also same like, but this option, one thing is extra, that you have to select a symbol of the currency. Here it is dollar, which is a default currency symbol. If you want your country symbol, like I am using INA over here, here it's INA in national rupee. Or if you want to use a specific symbol, there are symbols also over here, you can select it from here. Arabic and many other options are there. So from here you can select the currency symbol. Next is accounting. Accounting contains decimal places and symbols. The next is date. Date can be done in many styles, like long date, short date, or very short date, which contains only month and year, or date or month. Or if you want to just select the date over here or month, you can select this option also. So by selecting, if you select any option, it will just show preview over here, as it is showing here. You can select any option from this list. So this is date, and the next is time. So it will change our number into time. Here it is 24 hours format and 12-hour format. Which one you want and which is convenient for your data, you can select it from this list. Then next is percentage. Percentage option has only one option, which is decimal places. And the next is fraction. In fraction, what kind of style you want, you can take it like it is mentioned up to 1 digit. And if you want to convert your number into fraction for 1 digit, or even you can change to 2 digit, 3 digit, as halves, quarter, 8 and 16ths. And then next is scientific. Scientific only contains a decimal places option. And next is text. Text means it will normalize our numbers and it will treat our number as text. And the next is special. Special contains zip codes of our numbers or security numbers. You can mention or specify zip code or number over here. And the next is custom option. Custom means if you want to apply your own settings to it, like here I will put a date. I'm putting today's date over here. So I have put a date over here. Now I want only month and date over here. I don't want the year, so I will just go to custom options, and here, as you can see, here it has written month divided by symbol, date divided by, and 4y is there. So I only want to show month and date, so I'll write double D and triple M. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing 20th Feb. You can customize like this, and many of us write phone numbers over here. Like I'm writing some number here, and now I want to attach +91 to this number, so I will just customize it. I will first delete this number, and in customize setting we have to just include +91, and we have to put 10 zeros here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then press OK button. After you press OK button, when you put any kind of number here, it will automatically include +91 into that cell. So like this customizations you can apply to your cells using number group. Here also some options are there, like if you want to change the currency symbols from this list only, you can select it from here, or you want to change your number into a percentage, you can change it to percentage by just clicking on this number directly. And then comma is there, means when we use figures like 10,000, I'm writing. Now I want comma between the figures, so I will just click on comma button. It will automatically add comma in between the numbers. And if you want to add or remove decimals, you can use this option. First option is increase decimal, and second option is decrease decimal. If you want to increase decimal, just click on increase decimal, and if you want to decrease, click on this option. It will decrease the decimals in your cell or numbers. So that's it. I will end this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.